He's still enjoying that sun on my rocking chair. I feel like Red Riding Hood. I'm getting ready to go collect eggs. I'm trying to be quiet because Jack is over there. And I don't like when he comes running towards me. Crap. I found another one. What are you doing, Lily? I know what you think you're getting. Alright. Watch. See, he already saw me. Here he comes. Dang, it's cold out here. It's starting to run. I'm gonna get closer to the shop. Ah! You silly old thing! Alright, I get y'all some grain. Don't get so cold and hurt. But I'll be okay. I'm an old toughie. And I just think I just spit. So I sprayed it also. Look, he's trying to tell me to stay away. Hear him grunting at me? He's ornery. Lily! Yep. And then my daughter has her bunny rabbit. Only one left out of all of them, they died. And this one was fixed. I don't know if he's out here or... But look what he's done to my yard. There he is. Can you see him in there? There he is, that black thing. Black and white. In his little house. But he's digging up my yard. Gosh. Rabbits. Alright. He's still there. Motor. You should have your own channel. You think you should have your own channel? Living life to the fullest? Yeah? He's not used to me petting him because I don't pet him because I have allergies. He's such a good cat. Lazy, but good. Say goodbye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Got them some pellets. My door's falling apart. Alright, gotta keep them busy for a while. Let me go get the... Oh man, I have had heartburn every day. It's driving me crazy. It's painful. Alright, give the girls some... Oh, I forgot to show y'all what I did yesterday in that cold, windy. I put that in there. Oh, yeah, let me give them their food. But yeah, see, I made that. And I put their hay bag inside so they don't get wet, which I need to go check and make sure. I'll put this in here in my basket. Hopefully I get this done before Jack gets done. I hate when he falls behind me. See if they got enough hay. Oh yeah, somebody's been sleeping in it. And then they got the two hays right there. Yep, that's what I did yesterday in that cold, windy weather. Make sure that I... Oh man. I can't get that out with my hand. That's good enough. As long as they can drink. Dang. It's very cold. I have to put my gloves on. Alright. I gotta remember where I put that. I always forget. He's so squealy. Ooh. Dang. Somebody's been digging holes. Oh, Jack. Show you something else I did yesterday too. For my dogs. So I can I see you, cat. But I put this up. I know, kind of Kind of unflattering, but you know what? It does the purpose. But I put it up so that my dogs now can come out, do their business without, and I can let Jack out without him killing my puppies. So yeah, this is their little area to come out and do their business when he's loose. And then, oh, my hands froze. Then I moved the chickens out of here yesterday. Caught them. And it's funny is my husband helped me catch them. This is where I'm letting Lily and Jack stay through this cold weather in there with their hay. But yesterday he's like, that's the first time I've ever touched it and caught a chicken. I think, yeah, ain't it fun? Yeah. Anyway, so I put them back over here with lots of hay. They got a lot of hay. And I see a chicken over there. I hope y'all didn't lay eggs everywhere. I just thought of that. All right, I'm coming in. Got my basket. With my hand so cold. Ouch, man. Ooh, you hit your hand when it's cold. It's pain. Ah, don't you come out of there. Go. All right. See if I can get in without them coming out. Yeah. Oh, Scooter. All right. Oh my God, I'm stepping on you all. All right, let's go see if we find eggs. No, I think they're just. Ooh, hello. I think they're just making a little warmth area. Wow, look at that. I have my basket. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I gave them better hay too. None in that one. So weird. One day they give me 5, next they give me 6. And they don't touch that one for some reason. It's just these 2. I put that board up there for them. If you see, they've already pooped all that cleaning I did. And they're already pooped. Yeah. And make sure no eggs laying around. What you all noisy for? They got your eggs. I just clipped off. Chill. Give y'all some sure your food stays in front. But yeah, so they have full hay, water, full water. They got it made. Nice and clean. See what I do for you guys? Looks like somebody's been trying to force. What if I did it? I hate this door. This door is horrible. But once it gets all uncold and everything, and we get through this, I'll probably put them back on the other side. Yep, catching them again. Alright, why would that go up? I have soup I'm making on the stove. That's why, because I usually put this. Yes, I'm having a senior moment. Hold on. Right. Now, where's my little hook? And I lost the hook. But yeah, I'm trying to make a beef soup. So that's what I've been doing in there. Just making beef soup. And hopefully it turns out, because a lot of ingredients, I will be disappointed. Alright guys, bye. So yeah, let's go see what these guys. I want to make sure they have bedding in there. I probably need to add some. But yeah, I'm making soup for these cold days. And I think I showed you this. This is where Jack and Lily can come and chill out. He's already made a mess of the hay. But they can come back in here Chill out. Make sure they have enough hay in their bag. God, Brandon, you eat more than any of us. Or us. Or them. Why are you eating like, ugh, you stink. Where's the baby? Baby! Oh, I see him over on the other side. But yeah, so this will keep them from the bad weather. So they'll have that. And I'll keep the door propped. I already seen Millie in it. He's over here eating out of his bag. Whew, let me check y'all's water. Hi, guys. Yep, it's loose. Alright, everything's loose. Good job. Want to say hi to everybody? Why are you so mean to him? I cannot wait until he gets bigger and beats you up. Beat him up. Stand up for yourself. Right. Yeah. If y'all go back and look at the videos when I first got him, how tiny he's, about that size. Now look at him. Look at you, Randy. Look at you. Look how big you've got. With attitude. Got attitude. Yeah. Look at this big boy. I'm proud of him. Now, hopefully, his baby, Georgia, will be beautiful. But I'm going in. Gotta check on my soup. No stray dogs today, so that makes me happy. Oh, that sun is so bright into my face, I can't see. And here's what I look like on a... You got attitude. You hear him grunt. Stop being rude. Look how fluffy he is. Jack! All the dogs are out. Jack, what you doing? Huh? Huh? Were you hee-hawing for me? Stop. I'll let you in a minute. Jack. See, you made a mess in that hay after I got it for you. Why you gotta make such a mess of everything you do? Off. Bye. Now he's not doing it. Taking the goats. Alright. I've already fed everybody. I wish I could have showed everything I did, but it's too much and too heavy for me to do with one hand. Husband's off, but of course, he's gonna do all the girly stuff. Well, I do the manly stuff. That's how it is. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Oh, not really. There it goes. Fresh hay. Look at you, Rocky. I know, he's a pig. Ate it all. But I think you got some. Yeah. One of my water things broke from the... I don't think it broke, but... the ice made it break. So now I gotta get another one of those. And I'm going to go check the hay. Show you what makes me mad. See, I put the bin, the full bale of hay in here, and you see, it's all over the place. It's because of Jack. He makes a mess of everything, but guess what? That's all he's getting. I am putting my foot down. If he wants hay, come in here and eat it. I'm not gonna do it no more. He's taking advantage of me. All right, guys. I just gave them some scratch feed. I wish they'd stop using the bathroom on a damn water thing. Gosh. See how many eggs I have. Uh-oh. Ugh. Get out of my way. This door sucks. It really does suck. Alright. Let's go check eggs. None. 2 in this one. 2 for the pocket. Move. Ooh, and only 1. So they only laid 3, unless there's some in here. Nope. You're gonna lay later? You'll lay later? Probably. You sure there's none? Excuse me. You sure y'all didn't hide any? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Oh, I'm not seeing anywhere else. Alright. Thanks for the 3 eggs. We didn't need that many anyway. There. Whew. Oh, man. Alright. Alright, guys. Thanks for a couple of eggs. I gotta get them on my bucket before I forget about them. They're all waiting to go inside. You see the puppies? What you guys doing? You cold? I'm almost done. I'm gonna all go in. I'll go check. See what the animal. This is where Jack and Lily have been staying for the keep shelter. Alright, so let's go see what these chickens have left me. I came back out here because they gave me 3. Then I came back out a little later and there was 2 more. So they actually gave me 5 yesterday. Excuse me. They just stopped. Oh, I can't walk. Alright. I don't think they're ever going to lay one in here. I got 1. They'll probably lay more. Come out and check later again. And then there's 3. So that's 4 altogether. So I'll come check later again. Yeah. I don't know why they won't lay in that one. Maybe she get a fake egg like people do. And why are y'all so loud? Ooh, your water's disgusting. Ugh, where's this one? You got that one too. Your food? Tilt it. There. Alright. Goodbye, chicks. Whew. No, you can't come out. Sorry. I'll just cut myself. I will be so glad when this cold weather is gone. You know, I moved from Virginia. Well, we came from New Jersey to down here to get away, but I'm from Virginia. To get away from all the cold and blizzards. I was tired of working and driving in it and everything else. And now, it's cold in Georgia. What's up with that? I don't like cold no more. We all broke them. Yeah. I don't want the cold weather no more. That's why I moved down here. Man. See, my husband, he's never had snow. So this is like he's driving 3 miles per hour. When I was as a single mom of 5, I had to drive in blizzards that I couldn't even see out of my windshield to try to get to work. It was scary. It was exhausting. But yeah, so this is nothing but I don't like cold no more. I just want my warmth back, please. And me jabbing, I forgot to get my little tray thing. But yeah, I don't like cold weather. That's what I came down here for. But please, cold weather, go away. But I guess if people never experienced it, it's fun to them and nice. But somebody who was born and raised in blizzards and, yeah, it's not fun. But like my daughter, she thinks it's cold to see snow. My grandson is like freaking out because, he's a boy and snow. Man, if I could have tell him stories when I was younger, how deep the snow was, and we used to go sleighing down these big old hills, and yeah, I come home so freaking red, my butt, face, everything would be so frozen. But being a kid, you don't care. But when you're 57 years old, yeah, you get cold quicker. And like I said, I've been through it all, and I just want more. Shut up, grunter. Grunt, grunt. Nobody wants your freaking food. Yeah, thanks and have a good day, cranker. That. Looking good so far. Me like. Hope it turns out. Good morning, motor. Or shall I say evening? I go. Get everybody started for the day. I see my goats. There's Lily. Where's the Jack? I know he's gonna come running. Let's see how fast he'll come running. Jack! Where's he at? There he comes. Hello, Jack! You ready? Oh, cold in here. I need both my hands for this. My soup it steamed it up. But my soup so far.
Smell made me sick.
There's the daughter. Good Jack. Alright. Ooh, it's cold out here. Hey, Jack. Want to kill it? Come here, Lily. You want a carrot? Gotta say something for Lily. Let me throw it to her. Hurry, Lily! I got my slippers on. There. Let's do it to her. Alright, Jack, I'm going in. It's cold. I have nothing on. Crazy animals. Come on, guys. Ooh. Super. Oh. Where's the... Oh, your pillow's not down. There you go, Annabelle. Go lay down. Yeah, it's warm in here, huh? Oh, yeah. she's the old lady. She don't like playing like the rest of them do. So, yep, the old lady. She's almost. almost
With the M&M costume on, that gets some looks. And when I was filming Air Force 3, there were guys working on the roller coaster, and they were
they're
watching me
tired.
film the entire
I'm
ride.
tired.
And they were shouting some pretty mean things at me. But you know what? It's
Yeah.
all